Ano ba ang dahilan kung bakit po hindi basta-basta pinapagamit yung emblem ng Fraternal Order of Eagles, Yakap Philippine Eagles? Atin pong matatandaan ng atin pong logo ng Philippine Eagles or ng ating emblem ng the Fraternal Order of Eagles ay ito po ay registered trademark po ng the Fraternal Orders of Eagles, Yakap Philippine Eagles. So kaya naman ang paggamit po nito ay hindi po basta-basta. Okay, ito po ay pinapagamit lamang sa organization. Okay, so trademark po ito, registered trademark po ito ng the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Yakap Philippine Eagles, which expired on July 30, 2031. So yan po yung ating IPO. So kaya naman mahigpit po ito yung pinagbabawal ng paggamit ng hindi po ikaw parte ng organization. Yun po ang reason behind. So pagdating naman po dyan sa ating pag-checkpoint, okay, yan po ay mahigpit ng pinatigil. Okay, pinatigil na po yan. Okay, yan po ay pinahinto na po ng ating Kuya National President 2022, Eagle Year 2022, Kuya Angelito Jing Cadiz. Yan pong pagdating sa bagay na yan. Sabi nga po dito sa Office of the National President, Memorandum Order Number 11-03-2022, nakasaad po dito, dated November 3, 2022, all members and officers of the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Yakap Philippine Eagles, from Eagle Angelito A. Cadiz, National President, subject, ito, pakinggan po natin mga kuya, ate, bunso at friends of Eagles, cease and desist order, setting up of vehicle checkpoints, removal of Eagles car emblem and stickers, and Eagles plate number, and confiscation of national ID. So, whereas the Fraternal of Eagles, Yakap Philippine Eagles, the first fraternal socio-civic organization with its primary mission of service through strong brotherhood established in 1979, promotes peace, equality, and unity, and a strong fraternal bond among its members. Okay, whereas as members of the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles, Yakap Philippine Eagles, we are law-abiding citizens and must not by all or any other means resort to any illegal activities that will constitute violation of other people's rights and property. Whereas setting up of checkpoints, removal of Eagles car emblem and stickers, and Eagles vanity plate is absolutely not sanction. Ayan ha. Okay, maliwanag po ha. For awareness ng bawat isa. Not sanctioned by the National Fraternity, and its officers and members are strictly prohibited from doing so in order to avoid any conflict with any faction of the organization which may cause undue misunderstanding and escalation of situation. So yan po, maliwanag naman po, naka-bold pa, bold letters, no? Naka-highlight pa po yan, no? So, mahigpit pong ipinagbabawal yung pagtatanggal basta-basta ng mga emblem and stickers sa mga sasakyan, no? Whereas, the One Aguila movement, a program for unification is on its way and has been making a lot of progress promoting harmonious coexistence among the clubs and members of TFOE, Yakapi, and the TFOE does PE, since we are all kuya and have the same mission of service through strong brotherhood. And we wish not to hamper this program just because of some misunderstanding among our members. Whereas, the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles, utterly condemn the use of any form of violence in the fraternity. We, the kuya of the Philippine Eagles, are law-abiding citizen and profess, okay, to be friends to all people. Ayan, okay, shout out kay Kuya Fritz Kaizen, Kuya Jerry Raymond Lagula. Ayan, shout out sa inyo. We are sworn to look with our fellow kuya with the eyes of compassion rather with the eyes of condemnation. As the National President, this is pertaining to Eagle Angelito A. Cadiz, do hereby order all our officers and members under the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles, engaging in such activity of setting up checkpoints, removal of Eagles logo, car emblem and stickers, Eagles vanity plate, and confiscation of national ID, to cease and desist from such activities, effective immediately, so as to prevent and avoid unnecessary altercation and provocation among our fellow kuya. Furthermore, you are also hereby ordered to exercise maximum tolerance towards one another, and let us not forget that we are all brothers in the fraternity. This is Memorandum Order Number 11-03-2022 takes effect immediately upon receipt by the regional governors and club presidents, all members and officers of the organization upon publication in social media and group chats. Any members or officer of the fraternity found to be in defiance of this memorandum order will be subjected to disciplinary action as per recommendation from the Attorney General of the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Yaka Philippine Eagles, in the interest of the greater good for the organization to protect its integrity, honor, and dignity in accordance with provisions of the Eagles Magna Carta of 1989. Signed this 3rd day of November 2022 at Cagayan de Oro City, Philippines. So ordered, Eagle Angelito Cadiz, attested by Eagle Raymond Dizon, Secretary General. Ayan, mga kuya, mga ate, mga bunso. So ito naman po, ginawa lamang po natin ito para po bilang awareness sa bawat isa na tayo po bilang isang mamamayan. At saka po pala, ito po, bilang isang agila, ito po ay awareness din para sa lahat na ang emblem po, ng the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Yaka Philippine Eagles, kapag yan po ay nakitang nakadikit. Okay, ito reminders mga kuya, ate, bunso, friends of Eagles. Kapag ka po yung emblem na yan ay naidikit na po natin bilang agila, tunay na agila, tunay na may pusong agila, kapag ka po yan ay naidikit na po natin sa ating mga sasakyan, o kung saan man, sa inyong establishment, sa inyong sasakyan, ito po ay nangangahulugan na kayo po ay umaakto at alam ninyo ang responsibilidad natin bilang isang agila, bilang isang parte ng the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Yaka Philippine Eagles, na kung saan ang emblem po na ito ay patunay po na ikaw ay maaasahan ka, malalapitan ka sa kahit anong oras ng pangangailangan ng iyong komunidad. So yan po, tatandaan po natin. Yan po ang napakahalagang kailangan matutunan natin mga kuya, ate, bunso, friends of Eagles, na yung emblem na yan ay may kaakibat na responsibilidad. Hindi po yan palamuti lamang sa ating mga sasakyan, sa ating establishment, sa ating mga sinusuot na damit. Yan po ay may kaakibat na responsibilidad, mga kuya, ate, bunso, friends of Eagles.